Hi friends, welcome to my channel Nivi's Creations. Christmas is just around the corner and we all love to gift our friends some greeting cards on this occasion. So today let's learn how to paint an easy snowy winterland. Take a flat brush and paint the topmost section of the sky with white color. Then mix Prussian blue and white to get this shade of blue. Now with the same brush, blend the white and the blue nicely so that there are no sharp edges. Now use Prussian blue color to paint this section using the same flat brush. Now take little bit of white and blend this section nicely so that again there are no sharp edges. Paint this section using light blue and blend with the above section properly. So this is how the base of the painting looks like. Everything is properly blended. Now using the same flat brush, use white color to paint this section. This basically shows the snowfall on the ground. Let's sketch a few houses now. Now mix Prussian blue with little bit of black to get a darker shade and then paint the walls of the houses. So we'll paint the roofs of the houses using white color. So guys, it's Christmas time and we are going to light up the houses now. Let's put up some fairy lights. Now take some sap green color, mix it with black. It will form a darker shade and then with that shade paint the pine trees. Now take some sap green color and give some highlights to the trees. highlights with white color to show the snow on the trees. We'll do some shadowing effect on the ground using the Prussian color and some whites. Now dip a brush in white color and tap it like this. Wow, it's snowing. Let's give some shading effect on the roofs of the houses using Prussian blue color. I hope you all would have liked this tutorial. Please do try it out. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorials. Hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you.